What's up, guys? So my project in here back with another video. Just really gonna talk about The Rock and Rey Mysterio. Just two topics that I got for you guys. That I thought would be interesting to bring up. And I'm gonna talk about Rey Mysterio first, and then bring on The Rock in a little bit. Of course, we haven't seen Rey Mysterio in a while. Since his match with Batista at the Survivor Series, and of course Rey is out with a left knee injury, and he's supposed to go under surgery with that, and then as far as when he's going to return, I'm not really sure, but with that now, with his surgery, it looks like he's going to be holding it off. You guys can check this out at NoDQ.com. But yeah, he's supposed to be holding it off until after WrestleMania 26. So you know, I don't really like that idea because it really could put a number on him, because really taking him out more and actually hurting his left knee more, and he really should take this surgery right now instead of holding it off. But anyway, we'll see how that goes, and yeah. So going on with The Rock now, of course you guys know he's supposed to get South run next month in January, and it looks like he may or may not go on with his Get South, because his new movie, The Tooth Fairy, is, I guess it's coming out the same day or whatever, and I guess he's got like schedules with that now, and he might not be able to make it to that Raw. That's all I basically got on that. I really hope he does make it to that Raw, because it would be nice to see The Rock back. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think about that. That's all I got for now. But in the meantime, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.